I want to make a new way of storing my pencils. The old way was in these pencil cases, and I just found it was a bit of a faff. Once I finished my artwork, I'd be like, I can't be bothered to put them back in where I found them, and it would take some time. So I thought I'll make a pencil holder using a Lazy Susan. So I've just cleaned this one out. This is from the Home Edit program. When I went through my phase of storage and organisation after watching that program, I went a bit nuts and went out and bought this. This was like £30 from John Lewis in the UK. I mean, you don't have to buy something this expensive. It was just because I was obsessed with the program and I went out and bought it. So I'm going to take these out, these little compartments. It should be 4, but I've lost one of these. I don't know where it's gone. You have to excuse my voice. I've got a bit of a cold at the moment. So I'm going to take this. It's going to be a bit of a pain. I'm going to carry it down to Dollarama and see if I can get some jam jars to go inside it, because I don't actually have a single jam jar in the house. So see you in a sec with that. I'm in Dollarama right now to look at the jam jars to put in my spinny Lazy Susan, but they're in packs. I brought the thing with me, so I can't. A Hot Wheels car for my son, by the way. Yeah, I can't see how they were. So I'll just try. Yeah, I don't know. It's the best they got, really. My pencil fit in there as well. I don't know if it's deep enough, really. I suppose it is. It's so awkward. Okay. I'm not sure because the top's quite narrow. Might be better, actually. I don't know. Maybe. No, it's probably too wide, actually, because I want to put separate colours in. To make do with what I've found already, I think. I don't know how many of those I'm going to need. I bought this thing with me all the way for nothing. I think it's probably by... Okay, I'll probably just buy an extra one. Could always use it. So, okay, so I lugged this all the way down to Dollarama, and I didn't actually need to because they were in packet, so I couldn't really measure it. But at least I could tell whether it was, you know, too high or not. So I'll unpackage these, put them in, and see what they look like. Taking all the lids off just to see how they fit. What I was hoping for was that I could put them in and see how much space to fit, let's say like a small one just here, but because I couldn't open them up, I couldn't exactly do that. So let's just see how they look. Not sure I'm happy with that. Oh, it actually fits in there quite well, apart from the little gaps here, but I could, like I said, I could probably try and find something that will fit in there nice. So all I've got to do now is just put, like, say, all the ones I use the most in there so it can sit next to me. So here's the finished product that I'm left with. I think it looks quite good. It's quite satisfying seeing all the colours of the rainbow there. I'm hoping it will make things a lot easier, so I can just take one out, go through it and see what I've got in there, what I need. I've deliberately put them upside down. I know a lot of people store them right way up, but I get stabbed so many times by these pencils because I sharpen them to quite a fine point. They're always pretty sharp all the time. So I'm always getting stabbed by them. So, and also you can just see the colours better than this way up than you can the point side up. I think it's just easier, so that's how I've stored them. I've got them mainly in the colour groups there, and in the middle I've just got some white and black. I do have a nice bit of space in the middle there that I can, if I can find small jars to put in there, Then I'll separate these and have black and white, and maybe separate a cream jar as well, just to make it easier. But I think I'm happy with that. Hope you can take some inspiration from this video. Thanks for watching.